going down a mountain.
What will I do? Use your words, Marcus. Use your words. Oh, de. You want it fast?
Ate, pwede mo daw siyang kunan ng ano.
Oh no!
Ayun daw, wet wipes daw siya.
Ayun na.
Wait lang. Pinapa-video niya eh.
Okay, baby.
Ang daming tunog ng vlog mo, G.
It's
Oh,
okay.
wag na. Marcos, hindi ko naman alam.
Mas okay yung dyan sa harap.
Roller coaster.
One more time.
Yeah.
Yo daw, yo.
Say woo.
Raise your hands. Woo!
One more time.
Daddy again. Again.
No more.
There's another one. Yung kilikili niya, akala niya siguro susundutin ko.
3, 1.
Patawa. You patawa. You funny. Why you funny?
Again. When we go down.
Again.
My tita's vlogging. Again.
Do I stop now?
Now.
Oh, you can continue it.
Yeah.
Nagsuka yata.
Oh, mahina.
Nagsuka?
Wait.
Your kuka, your koy's kuka.
Mahina.
Kuya threw up. Say, oh no. Oh no.
Ay, look at the sky, Ozzy. Look at the sky in the video.
Mag-ano naman daw siya dyan eh. Mag-voice over.
Ay, voice over mo ba?
It looks like a sonic.
Wait. Sleepy na. Sleepy. You're sleepy? Huh? You're sleepy,
My
baby?
tita's vlogging because my hands are dirty.
Wow, what happened?
It's closed?
It turned off.
Turn it on, baby.
Press
Press it. There. And then you press that. One more. This one more. There. Too high. Okay. Right here. This one. What do you want?
Ah, kasi yung on niya mismo ayaw.